How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. I want to give you a quick update on why the market dipped really hard towards the end of the day today. We actually saw some massive moves in crypto, but more even in the stock market relative to how much we usually see the stock market go up and down. So I want to hit on that. Also, I have another video that's coming out probably in an hour, maybe less. I don't know exactly. At the time of this recording, I could put this at the end of the video, but it's something totally different. And it's a couple huge pieces of news for cryptocurrency. So be on the lookout for that. I'll put it on the end screen. If that video is already up, it will be on the end screen. But if you watch this video in the first hour or so, you'll see something else. So be on the lookout for that because these are huge pieces of news. I don't want to just plug it at the end of this because it is really big and I want to make its own video. If you guys don't mind hitting the like button, hitting the subscribe button, I really appreciate that. Check out the link underneath the video to Unstoppable Domains, where you can get an unstoppable domain, decentralized domain for $5 and up. So definitely check that out. Also, there is a link down to the Patreon. Today is the best day of the month to start it. It's December 1, so you get the most time in the Patreon for the price on today. And then there's also a link down there to BlockFi in case you want an interest rate on your cryptocurrency. They'll actually pay you every single month. So the first of the month is always nice when you have one of those accounts open. So we saw Bitcoin around 59,000 and then it took a big dip. Canada came back up and then we saw it dip a little bit more. Ethereum also was at 4,700 earlier, 4,750. We saw a lot of other cryptos that were in the green. It was actually setting up to be a very green day. And then all of a sudden we got a pullback, about a 5 to 10% pullback for almost every crypto. If we look here on the stock market, it doesn't look like that big a move, but that's because we started the day up. So we are up on a lot of these different exchanges. We were up 1.75% on the NASDAQ and it ended down 1.83. So that's a 3.5% move in about 3 or 4 hours on the NASDAQ, which is huge. So why is this happening? Well, we got the first Omicron coronavirus variant detected in California. So a lot of people got worried about this. A lot of people didn't want to see it here in the US, and I think it really is hurting the stock market and the crypto market. It's weird because this is not anything that I didn't expect, right? I mean, I think we all expected the Omicron to be here in the US eventually, right? It's in so many other countries. What we've seen in the past is that the doctors that are treating it say that there are a lot of mutations, but right now it's kind of mild. At least that's what I've read. Maybe it's changed, but at this point, I'm not too worried. And even if we start having shutdowns and stuff, I think that just leans to less Fed tapering and maybe more stimulus in the future, which would help the market. So I'm not sure exactly why everyone's so worried about this unless they're thinking there are going to be more supply chain issues down the line if we shut down and the government doesn't really want to provide stimulus. But I think they're in such a place that they have to keep on providing stimulus. Now, I actually bought a little bit here today on this news. I actually didn't buy crypto just because we've seen crypto in this range like yesterday and today. So I don't really see too many deals here, but I did end up buying some stocks and I realize I don't talk about that very much, but I ended up buying some Facebook stock, some metaverse or meta stock because it was around $310. We haven't seen it at this price since May. And then also I bought some Coinbase stock. It's under 300 and with the new NFT platform, I think it's going to be a massive moneymaker. So definitely look through some of your favorite stocks because they might be at a discount. Now, again, pay attention because in just a very short amount of time, I'm going to come with that video with a lot of the big news from today, a lot of big crypto news. So I just want to bring that to your attention. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one.